Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tilster, where we help you unleash your potential. Today, we're diving into something super helpful for anyone looking to save time, eat healthy, and stay on track: meal prepping. If you've been wondering how to get started or you're looking for easy, beginner-friendly recipes for your busy week, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to meal prep efficiently, with simple recipes that'll keep you fueled and focused. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is meal prepping? Meal prepping is simply preparing your meals in advance for the week ahead. By spending just a couple of hours planning and cooking, you'll not only save time during your busy days, but you'll also make healthier choices, avoid takeout, and stay consistent with your nutrition goals. It's a game changer if you're looking to stay on track with fitness, lose weight, or just make life easier. Trust me, meal prepping keeps you from the "what am I going to eat?" stress that hits midweek. Before we jump into the actual recipes, let's talk tools. To make meal prepping a breeze, you'll want a few key essentials. Invest in a good set of containers that are microwave safe, freezer safe, and portion controlled. These are great for batch cooking veggies, proteins, and even full meals like sheet pan dinners. Makes chopping and dicing quick and easy. Perfect for one-pot meals or when you don't want to be in the kitchen for hours. Next, let's talk about the planning phase. To make meal prepping effective, you need a game plan. Start by asking yourself these 3 questions. Are you prepping for weight loss, muscle gain, or just to eat healthier? This will dictate the types of meals you prep. Are you prepping breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or just one meal a day? Knowing this will help you plan quantities. Check your pantry and fridge first to avoid buying unnecessary items. Once you've got a plan, it's time to head to the grocery store with your list. Sticking to your list will save you time and keep you on track. Alright, let's get into our first meal prep recipe: sheet pan chicken and veggies. This is one of my favorites because it's super versatile, easy to cook in bulk, and packs in protein and nutrients. Plus, everything cooks on one pan, less mess, more time saved. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by chopping your veggies into bite-sized pieces, then drizzle everything with olive oil and sprinkle your favorite seasonings. Toss it all on a sheet pan and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Simple, right? This recipe is great because you can mix and match proteins and veggies. You can swap chicken for turkey, tofu, or fish, and the veggies for whatever's in season. Now let's prep breakfast. If you're always on the go in the mornings, overnight oats are a lifesaver. They take less than 5 minutes to prep, and you can make multiple jars at once. To make it, just mix your oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and peanut butter in a jar. Add your sliced banana and any toppings like honey or cinnamon, give it a good shake, and pop it in the fridge overnight. The next morning, grab and go. Overnight oats are endlessly customizable. You can switch up the toppings, add fresh fruit, or mix in protein powder for a post-workout boost. Now for lunch or dinner prep, turkey meatballs with quinoa. This is a high-protein, balanced meal that you can easily cook in bulk and store for the week. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix the ground turkey, egg, breadcrumbs, parsley, and seasonings. Roll into meatballs and place on a baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Meanwhile, cook your quinoa according to package instructions. Once your meatballs are done, portion them with quinoa into your meal prep containers. Add some steamed veggies or a side salad, and you've got a balanced meal ready to go. Don't forget snacks. Prepping healthy snacks will keep you from reaching for junk food during the week. One of my go-tos is veggies with hummus. It's simple, refreshing, and full of fiber and healthy fats. Just chop your veggies and portion them into containers. Add a few tablespoons of hummus, and you've got a snack that'll keep you full and satisfied between meals. Once your meals are prepped, it's all about storage. Keep your meals fresh by refrigerating them in airtight containers, and if you're prepping for more than 5 days, freeze anything that won't be eaten right away. Label your containers with the date so you know what to eat first, and you'll never have to wonder if something's still fresh. Consistency is key. To make meal prep a habit, set aside a couple of hours each week to do it and stick to it. It's all about creating a routine that fits your lifestyle, and don't be afraid to switch it up. Try new recipes, get creative with flavors, and involve the family if you can. It makes meal prepping more fun and sustainable. That's it, guys. You now have everything you need to start meal prepping like a pro. With just a little bit of planning and time, you'll set yourself up for a healthy, stress-free week of eating. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tilster, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our weekly fitness and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay strong and keep fueling your potential.